Navigating reserve planning is a continual journey. You're never really done. The choices you make each day in response to the ever-changing physical and financial condition of your association can lead to a successful future. There will be some surprises, and it will likely take your best leadership skills, but you're not alone. Reserve planning experts are available to help you through all the twists and turns. A future of a well-maintained, safe property that's a pleasure to live in with strong home values is just ahead of you. The homeowners are counting on you, and we'll help you get there safely and securely.
And that brings us to the conclusion time. And let me just bring this program to a close. What we want to reinforce is that question, where are your choices leading your association? You can sit on your hands, or you can invest time as a board member, as a manager, and help the association do the right thing and do some wonderful things for property values. There's a lot of possibilities in front. It's not always going to be smooth sailing. As we showed here, there's possibilities of finally trying to be the responsible ones and waking up and seeing what problem 20 years of board members left for you. But you can solve that, or maybe it's surprises. There's going to be obstacles because we're talking about the future, but there's guides out here. There's reserve study professionals like Elon and myself. There's no reason to stumble forward by yourself. It's going to be a journey to get to the future. There's going to be some twists and turns, but it's worth the trip. We're talking property values, taking good care of the building, owner enjoyment, maximizing property values. And the homeowners are depending on you to be making the good decisions. You don't have to do it yourself. You can get some help. So we're here at Association Reserves, reservestudy.com. We've done this all across the country for 38 years now. We have some additional resources like our Understanding Reserves book. It's available on Amazon, or you can download Chapter 1 for free. I'll make sure a link to that free Chapter 1 is in the outline. And we spoke to you about uPlanIt. It's a great little tool to help you with your reserve planning decisions at your association. Free to our client associations, $3.99 per budget season. For all others, I'll make sure there's a link to subscribe in the outline if you want to go down that path. And we have a large number of free resources. You can go to YouTube, search for Reserve Studies, find our content there, give them a like, subscribe to our channel. And speaking of more free content, we've got our weekly 30-minute podcast for board members to encourage and equip board members. It's called HOA Insights, Common Sense for Common Areas. You can subscribe from all major platforms or listen from our website, hoainsights.org, or it also is on YouTube. And it's a great way to hear current events, to sharpen your skills, to hear from subject matter experts on various topics, meeting minutes, financials, insurance, some storytellers. And I just inked a expert today that will talk about investing reserves. Great stuff. It's a great another platform we have all for board members. And at this point in time, let me bring the program to a close again. I'd usually at this point in time hand it over to Paige to handle Q&A, but Elon and I are here to help you with your questions for a few minutes as long as you'd like to stay with us.
At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.